Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night faves. How are you guys doing? I am tired. I've been starting the vlog saying I am tired a lot lately. And that's because I've been having visitors on top of visitors, but that's okay. I totally enjoy having visitors. It's just that it's not wearing on my body and I'm feeling all the effects. I didn't even work out since almost 4 days. I haven't worked out, and I'm definitely not working out today because I woke up early this morning and I've been getting the entire house a little bit extra fresh because I have more visitors coming today. My sister-in-law is coming to spend the weekend with us, and I'm super excited to have her coming to spend some time with Thailand, babe and I. So that's awesome. So I've been up all morning trying to make the house fresh. I'm actually finished and just get a chance to put Tyler down for a nap. I fed him lunch, got him fresh. Now I need to go and get myself ready for work because I have work today. But first I need to go and drop Tyler off at babe's office in town, so I need to do that. So I have approximately 2 hours to do all that, get myself ready, have lunch, drop Tyler in town, and then head to work. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. I just love being this busy. You guys gonna understand it. It's good for me mentally. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Enjoy your day, stay motivated, make sure you guys work out, even though I didn't get my workout in. And when I get my workout in, you will definitely know when that happened. But I don't think I'm going to work out the entire weekend because having my sister-in-law coming, I just going to enjoy the moment and not work out and get myself too tired. Even though we're going to be out and stuff, it's going to make me just tired enough, so I won't resume workout until the start of a fresh week. Yeah, baby's off to work as usual. I don't know if he vlogged this morning, but if he vlogged, you guys would have seen him. If not, you guys will see him later, and the sister-in-law and everything. So why does my eyebrows look so weird? One look up and one look down. Well, anyway, I'm not gonna change it. It really does look weird, and I'm going the same way like this. If you're not looking at me, you won't really see, but I see. Anyway, you guys, I am partially ready, and I'm partially ready. Tyler is still napping, which gives me a good moment to go and make some lunch real quick so I can have something to eat before I head out. So I'm just going to make some salmon and lettuce, and that's what's going to be for lunch. Okay, so I bought this smoked salmon. I bought this smoked salmon meat that is used to make sandwiches, as you can see on the package here. Normally you don't cook it, but listen, I'm a Jamaican, I don't eat raw food, so I'm going to just let the heat run over this real quick, put it over some lettuce, and that's what's gonna be for lunch. Guys, Tyler and I were both ready and ready to go. You want your tablet? Look at my chatter boy. Hey, say hey, say hi. Blow them kisses. Ah, my sweet boy. All right, come on, let's go. It's time to go.
T'es bon? Look at him face. Chocolate. Chocolate. T'es bon? Est-ce que tu manges? Hi guys, I'm with Tyler now, but he's at work. I'm at the train station going to pick up my sister because she's supposed to come today. So I'm here with Tyler, very quiet and eating chips. So I didn't eat dinner, he had so many different things. So yeah, I'm here waiting on my sister.
No, go. Auntie bring gift for Tyler, and of course he's ripping it up.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, ça s'ouvre. Ah, c'est là, regarde. Oh.
Scissors.
No, it's okay.
We're strong. Oh.
Yes. En fait, il y a les piles dedans,
Oh.
Tiens, on va dire à papa de tout le faire.
Yeah.
Je sais pas, il faut rentrer.
Faut que j'enlève mes chaussures. Hein.
Tyler, dis merci à Tata. Merci. Tyler, dis merci. Merci.
Non, on va faire
Merci,
bisous à Tata.
Tata. Bisous à Tata.
Tu fais bisous?
Bisous.
Allez,
Bisous à Tata.
Tyler, bisous à Tata.
Et comment tu fais pour enlever ça?
Ah, il faut tourner ça.
Oh, tiens, je te laisse faire d'habitude.
Oh, aïe aïe aïe. High five. Oh, he didn't get his reward
Tyler!
because I
Tyler?
finished
Tyler?
feeding me.
You want me to help you? Oh. He only want me to pull.
Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is that? What is this? Wow! Tyler, look! What is this?
Tu l'as vu un peu grand là, non?
Pants, bravo!
2 ans. Et l'autre?
2 ans?
Tyler? Tyler? Tyler?
Yeah, we...
Tyler, regarde dans le sac.
Tyler, more in there.
Oh.
Oh, what is this? No, that's not pants. This is the pants. Right, what is this? Shirt? Bravo! Bisous à Tata.
Tyler?
Bye.
Tyler?
Bisous à Tata. Well, merci. You guys, the sister-in-law is here. So it's the start of a fun, exciting weekend. I'll let you guys meet her in just a bit. She's outside it with somewhere. So Ty is obsessed because he get gifts. Ty, you got gifts from Tata? From Tata? Whoa! Battery needs to go in it, so babe gonna put in his batteries tomorrow, and he get clothes, winter clothes.
Poisson, fais vite venir quelqu'un pour me sauver. Aussitôt dit, aussitôt fait. Un beau jeune homme monté sur une barque attrapa le bras de la princesse. Oh, regarde, on arrive à l'attraper. Elle est là, la princesse. Elle est en train de se noyer dans l'eau. Oh, parce qu'elle sait pas nager. Toi, tu sais nager, Tyler? Tu me montreras? Ça, c'est un château. C'est le château.
Château? Dis bonjour.
Hello.
You guys, that's my sister-in-law.
Yes.
My gorgeous sister-in-law. We're gonna eat, babe. Take home food. Babe, what you got? Nem.
You like when it's hot, hot, hot?
It doesn't really matter for me, not necessarily. A little bit more. So babe got Chinese food. He got nem, and so we're ready to grub. To be fair? Yeah. She's hungry. She says she's a little hungry. So we're gonna eat. And Tyler is off the bed. I just put him to bed. He was crying for his auntie, so I had to go pick him up twice. We're having Chinese food, you guys. And of course, you guys know I love nems. That's nem pork. And that's nem chicken. Numbers food.
Mince.
Mint and salad. I don't like them with salad. I like to eat it as is. Come, get up.
No.
Yes.
Sleeping.
No.
Alright, she won.
No.
She won.
No. Hey guys, it's the end of the night and we're just coming on to end the vlog. The sister-in-law is here and it's so good to have her here. We've been laughing non-stopping and gallivanting and messing around. Yeah, we're full. We just finished eating and yes, we're going to bed. So we're just gonna jump in and give you guys the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. And I'm going to give you guys a Jamaican word today. So the word for today is pawn. If a Jamaican say to you, me just done name piece of pawn, they simply mean that they just finished eat a piece of pudding. Pudding means pawn. Pawn means pudding. So there you guys have the Jamaican word for today. What are you gonna give us for the French word or expression? No, say it.
No, I was
say pawn.
Pawn?
Pawn.
Pawn?
Yes.
I was just happy when you say you have a word. I say, okay, I'm not gonna find out. I'm just gonna say the same word in French. And when you say pudding, I say, oh, pudding is pudding. So it doesn't work. I'm gonna say frère et sœur. Because my sister is here today. So that's how we say it in French. We say sœur, and as brother, we say frère. So it's a lot of R for sœur et frère. Say it.
Sœur et frère. We have the two Jamaican word and French word for tonight. To get it, make sure you get it. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. If you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. On the next few days, my sister-in-law will be here, and of course she's not camera shy, so you guys will definitely be seeing her in the vlogs. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.